everyone! Welcome back to Learn English Every Day, the podcast that helps you speak English confidently and have fun while learning. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Nick. Hello, Sarah. And hello to all our amazing listeners tuning in today. It's always so great to be here with you guys.
Same here, Nick. How are you doing today?
I'm feeling great. Had a quiet, relaxing weekend, caught up on sleep, and watched a movie or two. What about you?
I'm doing great too, and I'm really excited about today's topic.
Oh, I know what this one is. It's something we hear all the time from English learners.
Exactly. Today we're talking about that super common problem. I can understand English, but I can't speak it.
Yes, I think that's the number one frustration for most learners. People tell us, I can watch movies, I can listen to podcasts, but when I try to speak, my brain just freezes.
Right. It feels like your voice disappears. You know the words, but they won't come out.
It's such a familiar feeling. But don't worry. Today, we're going to share some simple and powerful tips to help you unlock your English voice.
Yes, and before we jump in, we have a tiny favor to ask.
That's right. If you enjoy our episodes and they help you learn, please hit the like button and subscribe to Learn English Every Day. It really helps our channel grow and reach more learners like you.
And don't forget to turn on the notification bell, bing bing, so you never miss a new episode.
All right, let's get into it. So, Sarah, let's say my voice is locked. How do I find the key?
Good question, Nick. The first key is to change how you listen to English.
But I already understand what I hear? Isn't that enough?
Understanding is great. It's step one. But now we need to move from passive listening to active listening.
Passive versus active. What's the difference?
Passive listening is when English is just playing in the background while you're cleaning or driving. You understand, but you're not really focused.
I do that all the time, like listening to English music while cooking.
Exactly. But active listening means you focus. You listen carefully, repeat sentences, and imitate how people speak.
Oh, so kind of like copying the speaker?
Yes, that technique is called shadowing.
Shadowing. Like following someone's shadow?
Exactly. You become the speaker's shadow. You listen to a podcast or video and repeat what they say at the same time.
Wow, that sounds tricky.
It can be at first, so start small. Listen to one sentence, pause, repeat it. Then, when you get comfortable, try to follow along in real time.
Got it. So listen, pause, repeat. That's doable.
Yes, it helps your ears and mouth work together. It's like training your muscles for speaking.
All right, what's next?
Next, you need to create your English mode.
Ooh, that sounds fancy, like superhero mode.
Exactly. English mode means choosing a small part of your day when you only think and speak in English.
Only think in English? That sounds hard.
It's challenging at first, but you can practice by talking to yourself.
Talking to myself, people might think I'm a bit crazy.
Maybe, but do it when you're alone. Just narrate your actions. For example, I'm making coffee. Where's the sugar? Oh, here it is.
Haha. Okay, I can try that. I'm sitting in the studio, talking to Sarah, feeling happy.
Perfect. It might feel silly, but it's powerful. It trains your brain to produce English, not just understand it.
Okay, but what if I don't know the words I need?
That brings us to the next tip. Stop memorizing single words.
Wait, stop learning new words? What?
Not exactly. Don't learn words alone. Learn chunks or groups of words that often go together.
Oh, like ready-made phrases?
Exactly. Instead of just learning point, learn that's a good point.
Or instead of mean, learn, you know what I mean?
Yes, these chunks make you sound more natural and help your brain speak faster. No need to build sentences word by word.
All right, next tip. Let me guess. Speak every day.
You got it. Even just 5 or 10 minutes a day makes a huge difference.
That's easier than doing 2 hours once a week.
Exactly. Consistency matters more than time. Speaking is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets.
But who do I talk to if I don't have a partner?
Simple. Talk to your phone.
My phone? It doesn't talk back.
Use your voice recorder. Record yourself answering a simple question like, "What did I do today?" Then listen back.
But I hate hearing my voice.
Everyone does, but your accent isn't bad. It's you. Listening helps you hear your progress and fix small mistakes.
Okay, what else can I try?
Role play. Pretend you're in real-life situations like ordering food or checking in at a hotel.
So, talk to myself again?
Yep, be both people. "Hello, what would you like to order?" "I'd like a pizza, please."
That's fun.
It really is, and it helps your brain practice reacting in English, so you don't freeze in real conversations.
Okay, but what about mistakes? They're scary.
I know, everyone's afraid of them, but here's the secret. Mistakes are your friends.
Friends?
Yes, mistakes are proof that you're trying and learning. Fluency comes after the mistakes, not before them.
Wow, that's powerful. So it's okay if my grammar isn't perfect?
Exactly. The goal is communication, not perfection.
All right, final tip. What's next?
Practice responding quickly. Conversation isn't just listening, it's listening and replying.
Right, the fast part.
Exactly. Try chatting with a friend, a teacher, or even an AI chatbot. The key is to train your brain to respond, not just understand.
So, active listening, active speaking, active thinking, it's all connected.
You got it. These tips are your bridge. They move English from your ears to your mouth.
Let's do a super quick review. 1. Practice shadowing. Listen and repeat. 2. Create your English mode. Talk to yourself. 3. Learn chunks, not single words. 4. Speak every day. 5. Record your voice. 6. Do role plays. 7. Make friends with mistakes. 8. Practice responding.
Beautiful summary.
Thanks, teacher.
You're welcome. And to everyone listening, remember, understanding is wonderful, but speaking is the bridge to connection.
So speak every day, even if it's not perfect. That's how fluency begins.
Exactly. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to Learn English Every Day. Give this episode a like and share it with a friend who feels stuck.
And tell us in the comments, which tip will you try first? Shadowing, talking to yourself, recording your voice?
We can't wait to read your answers. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Keep practicing, stay positive, and remember, your English voice is waiting to come out.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye for now.